Hello and welcome to the Willerby Winchester 3-bedroom at Seaview, Gorran Haven. I'm just going to take you inside the Willerby Winchester and we open up into the kitchen area and you can see the sink, the hob, the expel air, and as we spin around the dining area, just looking back on the other wall, there's the integrated microwave and the integrated twin oven. Just looking round into the lounge area, see the French doors there, some nice fitted furniture, nice corner suite, some more fitted furniture on the wall above there. See the chair and footstool. As you can see, nice, bright, modern, clean living area. Just a slight bit of a wall around the kitchen which sort of just breaks up the open plan living, but gives the feel of the kitchen around the corner. But yet flows nicely round into the sleeping, and we go. First room is the twin bedroom. Sockets on the wall there for the TVs, but wardrobe, bedside table, cupboards above beds, central heated double glazed of course. And in the next room we've got the house bathroom, shower, and toilet here. You can see the wash basin and the toilet, corner toilet there. Heated towel rail, and then out of here into the second twin bedroom. Again with the wardrobe, cupboards above the beds. These beds can be pushed together to make them into double rooms as well. And now we go into the master bedroom, the third bedroom. You can see again cupboards above the bed, and the bed does lift up for extra storage. Double glazed central heated dressing area there. There is a large wardrobe. It's got good sized rails here at full length, and then onto the ensuite toilet and wash basin. Heated rail there again, and a cupboard above sink. Very nice, modern, and back out, just back around, seeing the bedroom from a different angle, the bedside lights, the USB chargers by the side of the bed. And this is really what Seaview is all about, the Seaview. I'm just zooming in there on Dodman Point, you can just see that in the distance. Nice peninsula where we're set on there, but you can see the stunning sea views. And of course all around the park has a great feel. They all look out, they all have south facing large decking areas to the front with glass panelling to the front, and as you can see this is the bay view area now of our new development again. A large parking bays where you can fit 2 4x4s, but again from wherever you are you've got a sea view. The front guys at the front here have a panoramic sea view. And you see Dodman Point there again. Just coming out here, I'm not as high as you would be on the decking, but it gives you a good idea. I'll just pan around. You will be a lot higher on the deckings, and you do have spectacular sunsets to enjoy here at Seaview.